Hi guys, how's it going? Today we will be recreating this logo, the DDC Thick Lines Heart, used in the USA, designed by Draplin Design Company and designed by the famous Aaron James Draplin. Let's jump right into Illustrator. On the right hand side, the red orange is the one I recreated. On the left hand side, you are seeing the original one. Let's go ahead and get started. Go to File, New, Letter, Landscape, or if you like to use another format, go ahead and use that format. File, Place, and place your logo somewhere where you want. Click the letter S to activate the scale tool. Click Enter, and I'm going to scale it 400% uniform. Make sure uniform is selected. Click OK. Rename this layer. Go ahead and lock it. Create a new layer. In this new layer, go ahead and use your ellipse tool. Click once, and we are making a 64 by 64 point circle. I'm going to change the color. I did 64 because it fits right here perfectly. You can measure it manually if you want. Now we're going to go ahead and switch the fill and the stroke. Set the stroke to the inside and hit 10 points. Now we are going to make a straight line using your line segment tool. Also make sure that it is 10 points. Select both of them. Go to Object, Expand Appearance, Object, Expand, Fill and Stroke. We don't need the original logo for now. Hit Ctrl Y to activate the outline mode and align your rectangular shape to your circle. Hit Ctrl R to activate your rotation tool. Select your circle, drag down a ruler to the center anchor point. Select your line, click the letter O to activate the reflect tool. On that same anchor point, holding Alt, click once, and you're gonna reflect it horizontally. Click Copy, and there's the outside of our circle. Hit Ctrl Y. So this is the first layer of our circle. Let's go ahead and take care of the second layer of our circle. Using the ellipse tool again, we're making a 37 by 37 circle, and this fits right in the inside. You can go ahead and measure it manually if you want. We're doing the same thing. Switch the fill and stroke, give it a stroke of 10 points, fill the stroke to the inside. We're making another line. Make sure these lines are pretty long. Select both of these, go to Object, Expand Appearance, Object, Expand. Hit Ctrl Y. Now we're aligning this second line to our circle. You know what, before I do that, I'm going to Control G this to group it. I'm going to toggle the visibility. Now I can align this perfectly. Go ahead and do the same with this one. Select the circle only, drag down a ruler to the anchor point. Select your rectangle, hit the letter O to activate your reflection tool, holding your mouse, hovering your mouse over the anchor, click Alt and click once and reflect it horizontally, click copy, hit Control Y, toggle the visibility of our original circle over here. And we're going to align this to the center of our circle. Ungroup it. Select your group one more time. Ungroup it. Select both of these circles. Tap one more time on the outside circle to make it the key object. Horizontal align center and vertical align center. Now it is aligned perfectly. We can go ahead and regroup the outside one. That one is perfectly aligned already. Toggle these two and align them one more time. Now we're going to use our line segment tool to make a straight line from the center of both of our circles. Make sure you see the words intersect. Click once, holding Shift, drag out along the guide. Make sure this line is just as long as the other ones. Give it a stroke of 10. Very important in your stroke panel, make sure you hit the round cap button. Select all of them, go to Object, Expand, Fill and Stroke, and now they are objects. Toggle the visibility of your original logo now. Hover over the corner of your new group. Hold Shift and rotate 315 degrees. Select your group, right click, go to Transform, Reflect, and this time you're going to use the vertical. Click Copy. And now you will align your two groups. Select all your groups. Zoom into your groups. Now you're going to use the Shape Builder tool. Holding Alt, you're going to get rid of some of this stuff. Holding Shape Builder tool and the Alt button, we're going to get rid of all of the inside stuff. If you mess up, hit Ctrl Z. I will be fast forwarding through this. Once you are done, go to your Pathfinder, hit Unite, and you should have your logo. So we have our logo almost ready. Make sure you hit the letter A to activate the direct selection tool, and delete the extra anchor points by hitting the minus button. Activate your delete anchor point tool, and I'm just gonna fast forward through this, but this part is important. So once you're done deleting all of the anchor points, go to Object, Compound Path Release, Object, Compound Path Make. You can now recolor your logo. As you can see, we are done. We probably could have made these lines a little bit thinner, maybe 1 point or 2. Overall, I think it looks pretty great. If you have any suggestions as to what logo I should remake next, please leave a comment, send a message. As always, tell a friend, and I hope you guys learned something new today. Until next time.